No one recognizes the value of cost-efficient terminal emulation better than the IT service and tax collection experts at BerkOne. As an IT service bureau serving more than 300 organizations globally, BerkOne is always looking for ways to be more efficient and improve the day-to-day experience of employees and customers. After searching for a more modern solution that would also lower their increasing maintenance costs, BerkOne chose Rocket Terminal Emulator. Switching to Rocket Terminal Emulator proved to be the right choice for their users and customers. With Rocket Terminal Emulator, BerkOne slashed maintenance costs by more than 50%. And thanks to Rocket Terminal Emulator's one-click upgrade and deployment features, update times were cut by more than 80%. The increase in efficiency benefited everyone right away, especially BerkOne's clients. Looking to save money and escape the predatory pricing and maintenance ploys of your current vendor? Start your free trial of Rocket Terminal Emulator.